everyone, welcome back to TechnonTechTV. In this tutorial we're going to discuss what is Java and in which area it is used. So let's start. Java is the most popular programming language and it is used at almost every area of software development. By definition, Java is an object-oriented, platform-independent programming language. I think it needs some explanation. So object-oriented, it means that it uses objects to model the desired tasks. Objects have properties and behavior. It can be a person, a superhero, a plant, an animal, a machine, or anything else. So let's take a car as an example. It has properties like color, horsepower, production year, and it also have behaviors like start the engine, stop the engine, lights on, lights off. By using one and other cars' behavior, they can also interact with each other. It's an interesting one and not a quite short topic. So I will tell you more about this in the class section. So what platform independent means? Platform independent means that the same code can run on any device. So you don't have to write code for different operating system. It doesn't matter whether it is a Mac OS, Windows or Linux. The code written on Mac runs the same way with the same result on any other operating system. So write once, run anywhere. Java has other very important features like interpreted, which means that Java code you write is converted to other format bytecode, which can be easily translated into native machine code. So it gives Java high performance. And Java is also concurrent, which means that you can execute many statements asynchronously instead of sequential execution. That's how a morning routine works with a sequential and a concurrent system. So in a sequential system, the actions are executed one after another. So first you wake up, and second make your bed, then brush your teeth. After that you make a tea and eat breakfast. Next prepare lunch and finally go to work. But in concurrent system, the first two steps are the same, but after that you start brushing your teeth, and while you are brushing your teeth you start making a tea, you start boiling the water, so you can save time with that. The steps coming next are the same and in the same order. So concurrency is a kind of multitasking. The last point to mention here is that Java is secure, which means its memory segments are not accessible and it has built-in security code base, which helps you to build more secure projects. Okay, and which areas Java is used? So as I mentioned before, Java is used almost everywhere. First and probably the most common usage is web development. So companies like Google, Amazon, Netflix, Twitter, YouTube, eBay use Java. It is also used in desktop app development like the original Minecraft, RuneScape, Intel IJID, or even PyCharm. The most popular Python programming tool was also written in Java. Another popular segment is mobile development. Android is written in Java and also the apps game on Android. And last category is the combination of the previous ones, the enterprise application. Most of the Fortune 5000 companies are using Java, for example SAP, Apple or GE. So when you are creating an enterprise application, the most important thing to keep in mind is that you don't want to have different code for mobile, desktop and web, because it would cost a lot of money and a lot of time to finish it and also to maintain it or add new features to different code base. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you have any doubt, comment us below, and if you found some value in this tutorial, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. And do share this video with your friends to spread the knowledge, and stay tuned for more videos.